Okay, so ChatGPT just got an upgrade. Let's have a look at it. So, could you create some discussion questions, some warm-up questions for A2 level of English, please?
Sure. Here are some warm-up discussion questions for A2 level of English. What's your favorite thing about the city, town you live in? What kind of music do you like to listen to? Why? Do you prefer to cook?
Okay, that's enough. What do you think, guys? Do you like them?
Yes!
Cool. So we can just take these, maybe throw them into a word wall. Paste A2 level warm-up questions, and Bob's your uncle. Let's do a warm-up, guys.